fixing flip. You gonna
Fixing
fix
dick.
the flips and shit.
Fixing dick out here. Look at that bathroom.
This was one of the first houses we viewed, which looks bad, look messy, look nasty, but the more experience you become in this, you'll realize that even that toilet she mentioned is only $100 new in the store. It's not every day that someone purchased the first house that they go to view, so be prepared to look at several before you make that final selection that this is the house for you. That can even mean taking the baby along for a trip or two. All jokes aside though, you don't want to play with your kids viewing any houses that you spot mold in.
Turn it to the haunted house. I bought it specifically for Halloween. Look. Should overlook that shit. I'll be done in no time. That too. It's important to view every house that you're interested in because pictures online look so much better. And of course, they're never going to show you the downside.
Level.
Kids room. Right across from juveniles. And grew up around this motherfucker. I actually was there.
Some houses require you to have a vision and most people don't. So take a chance, make your offer, put in for your inspection and appraisals, and you ready to rock and roll. Make sure that money right in your account, and it's time for closing, baby. Showtime.
Close on another property, man. This shit don't stop. Jesus said the best in and out that bank, bitch. I've been getting busy.
Now, the moment we all been waiting for. After closing and everything out the way, time to put in some work. First thing you want to do is make sure you got your outside appearance right. So everything look good, you ain't getting fined or nothing while you working on the inside. Even on daddy duties, work still gotta get done.
Now, once the outside appearance is to your satisfactory, time to focus on the inside, or multitask if you can afford to do so.
And a door that need always replaced.
Y'all niggas say y'all buying cribs. Where y'all cribs at? Motherfuckers really buying shit.
Dealing with these houses can truly be therapeutic sometimes, but also a headache. But it definitely keep you away from having a bunch of idle times on your hands and away from the foolishness. So give it a shot. See what you think about it.
Y'all working?
Yeah. This is way much better than e-learning. It's our learning.
I'm learning.
Our learning field trip.
It's your field trip doing hands-on. Patching up that
Our
car.
learning is way better than e-learning. We get to take field trips to actually touch stuff. We doing the AR value. How do you say it?
What'd you say it was?
We doing after repair. After repair valve. ARV. After repair valve.
Filling up carpet can be one of the most filthiest and nasty jobs, so you want to be careful, especially if it was pets in the residence before you pull the carpet. State is about the only job you can be on your phone all day, even if you're talking about absolutely nothing. Which brings me to my next question. I know y'all wondering, when do we take a break? And my answer to that is never. Psych. Nah, just kidding. All the store runs is where you get in your most break, because the store runs can be the most time consuming.
I want 3 of them, yeah.
You got a can phone, or is it too much on there?
By now, I'm sure you get the point. Either this dude is talking crazy about something, or either complaining like a motherfucker. But either way, he gets the job done.
Line them up, goddammit. Another motherfucking load. Queasy not bullshitting.
Stop that, man. I'm being modest, baby.
All jokes aside, though, you might as well get used to store runs, because it's going to definitely be a lot. Just when you get back to the property, only realize you done forgot something. Just when you closing it up, time to make another store run.
You gotta switch it out. Too much shit.
Oh, we found ourselves another goddamn crybaby.
Thought you was muscle man, Ken, folk.
Making matters even worse is when you start picking up stuff and buying shit you don't even need. Clear the whole rack, fuck it.
Ken, folk. Well, get that motherfucker in. Fine dude. Hey, we ain't doing no motherfucking window shopping there. Go. Fine dude. Damn, that motherfucker is now.
Show you what's in your refrigerator, right?
Now that we got all the
Hey, where you
fun
at, Ken,
stuff out
folk?
the
We
way,
need help.
it's back to grind mode.
Damn, nigga gave me nothing. Oh, work, bro. Ain't no motherfucker gave us nothing, goddamn. And the Air Maxes, goddamn. When they start painting and shit like that? That nigga gotta have some money.
In real estate, there's nothing wrong with having a little wardrobe malfunction from time to time. I mean, because after all, it ain't a job about who the prettiest.
Remember you want to talk about my shit being faulty, kid, folk? You gonna quit acting like you on a nigga get money, nigga. This nigga shit about 400-500 Bath and Body Works, kid, folk. Walmart and this, that wasn't enough. You hear me? There won't be a motherfucker shit in this bitch today.
Another example of frivolous spending that was definitely not calculated in the budget.
Because we record you as a professional.
Of course, you will always have you at least one slacker or two.
Wait, that's what they do. Come over here and just sit and scroll through motherfucking social media or some other bullshit.
I know real estate.
Do some motherfucking work.
Now we can see. Then that
Meet the guy that does all the talking and instructing, only to still do a half-ass job, which makes me get rid of him and hire a whole new team. All in all, I can't complain. It's nothing like seeing that finished product.
Yeah. Don't get no better than this. Need a home, come holler at us, man. Make that phone call. But it's the hood for me. It's the trenches for me. Need a house, girl. Hit the line. We'll make it happen. Feel me? We are here.
Contact.
See? Feel me?
Y'all too shit talking. Asses.
You can talk that shit when you living big. You can talk that shit. You can afford a weed.
Hey.
You can talk that shit. Buy a fucking crib. Oh, man. Hey, look, you buy the crib and you can start buying your girls some wigs and shit. You feel me? But it
Buy
starts
the
right
wig
now.
first.
It starts right here. First own something, buy you something, then you'll be talking to pleasure. Freaking my clothes, man.
Oh, it might be me.
Already.
Where my bag go?
Yeah, you get fucked up.
Look at our painter. Well, he's his own painter. Okay.
What do you do with the fucking paint?
Where can they find you at, dude?
Find me your house.